Hey guys, this is Aliasan and you're watching AHM tutorials. So in this video we're gonna see that how we can actually change the name servers. So right now I am at GoDaddy.com. okay, so I have my domain on GoDaddy.com and I have my hosting on some other site. So what I want to do is to change the name servers, so whoever types this domain is referred to that hosting. So usually this happens when you have separate hosting and separate domain, and then you have to change the name servers from wherever your domain name is parked. So right now I am at GoDaddy.com. so if I scroll down, I am right now at the home page of the GoDaddy. So whenever you are logged into your GoDaddy, you are going to land on this home page. So when you will scroll down a little, there will be a section which is called all products and services, and under this section you will have domains. So if you can't see anything, you have to click this drop down and all of your domains will be visible here. Right in front of it you can see the DNS button. So you have to click on this DNS button and it's gonna take you to the next page where you can change the settings. Alright, so here we are with the DNS management page, and if you scroll down to the bottom, currently as you can see we have this these domain names, right? Name servers. So we want to change this. So what we have to do, actually we have to click on this change button here, and after clicking this change button it's gonna take you to the next page where it's gonna ask you to enter those name servers. Then you are presented with an option which says connect my domain to a website I have built, or if you see at the bottom here it is enter my own name servers advanced. Click on this. Now it's gonna ask you to enter 2 name servers here. Now where you can get these name servers, so you have to go to your hosting website, or from wherever you have purchased the hosting you will be getting an email. So if you can see inside that email you can find the name servers, or if you don't have that email you can simply go to the live chat option of your hosting website, hosting provider, and ask them for the name servers. So I have my email here that I got when purchasing the hosting. So here as you can see I have got 2 name servers, so name server 1 and name server 2. I will just simply copy these name servers from here. I'm gonna copy this name server 1 and I'm gonna paste it in this name server 1 box, and in a similar way I am going to copy this second name server and I am going to paste it here. And after doing so you just have to click save, and it's gonna take a little time and it's gonna save your name servers. And now it is just giving you a check, so you just have to say yes, I consent to the updates, and you just have to click continue. And after that it's gonna tell you that we need a 2-step verification. So it's if you have authenticator on, you need to do that. Okay, so I'm entering my code here 264197 and verify the code. Alright, so our name servers have been changed, so it is just giving us a warning here that features may be unavailable while we process your update. So usually when you change your name servers it takes a couple of hours to update, so don't worry if your domain is not active or not up, because it's gonna take a couple of hours to be active. So meanwhile you can change your check your email as well for the confirmation. So I hope this was a good tutorial and you'll learn something new here. Until next time, take very good care of yourself. Bye.